Hey, this is Willard Crafto, and today I'm going to be showing you how to build a Lego compact sports car. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So first you're going to need one of these 4x12 chassis pieces. These can be found in a lot of city sets. They're very common. Next up, take two of these 2x2 axle plates. You can do them in black or gray. Place them right there. Next up, take a 2x4 plate and set it in there. The color of this plate does not matter. Next, take a 2x2x2 chair, set it right in the middle. You can obviously change the color of anything if you'd like. Take a steering console and set it in there. Now let's take a 1x2 brick, set it in the front, and a 1x2 brick and set it in the back. Now let's take four 2x2 fenders. So we'll set one there and one there in the front. Now on the back, set one here and one here. And now let's build up the sides. So take two 1x2 roof tiles, inverted roof tiles. Set them right there. Now take two 1x2 bricks, set them behind there, and two more 1x2 inverted roof tiles. That'll give the wheels clearance. Next up, I'm going to take a pause on this and build the front and rear bumper sections. So we're going to do the front one first. So take two transparent orange 1x1 plates, set them like that. Then take a 2x4 plate, stick it on the top. Take a 1x2 plate, place it there. And a 1x2 radiator grill. If you don't have a silver metallic one, you can just use gray. Now place two 1x1 slopes for headlights. Now let's use a 1x1 smooth tile and a 1x4 plate with arch. And there's our front bumper and grille. So let's set this down right there. Now we'll build the one for the rear. So take another one of these kind of pieces. Place two transparent red studs in these holes. Take a 2x4 plate, stick it on top. Now let's take two transparent red 1x1 round smooth tiles. Place them there. A 1x2 plate with a license plate on it. Now let's take a 1x2 plate, stick it right there. Stick a 1x2 smooth tile on top of that, and two 1x1 slopes for the rear bumper. And there's our rear bumper and tail lights. And let's just drop that on there. Now, let's see. Take two 1x2 plates with that kind of end on them. Set one right there and one right there. Now take a hood piece. It's a 4x4 and set it right there. let's take two 1x4 smooth tiles and set them right there, and a 4x3 windshield. Now let's use a 2x4 plate right back here, and a 1x4 plate. Set it right there. And then place another one back here and a 1x4 flat tile on top of those. Now place another windshield piece there, and I put a plate here by accident. It's actually supposed to be a smooth tile, so there. And then the 1x4 does not go there, and use two 1x2 roof tiles. Now let's use another one of those windshields, place it like that, and then let's use another 4x4 roof piece. Stick a 1x2 transparent red plate in it for a third brake light, and set it like that. And finally, take 4 of these kind of wheels. You can use any kind of wheels, but I picked these, and just place them in there. So yeah, that is the Lego Compact Sports Car. Thank you for watching, and happy building.